Today I am reviewing this magnetic wireless charger for your car. This will work on iPhones, 12, 13, 14 Pro Max. I have a 14 Pro Max I'm going to check it on. It charges at 15 watts max, which is a good charge rate. Let's go ahead and check it all out and get it installed. So this is the mount right here. You can see that nice magnetic base. Here's my phone. Boop. Right, just like that, popped on and off. Has nice vents in the back, keep everything cool. Has all the details here, says it's up to 15 watt max. The input, you have this quick on and off release here so you can move it around. And this one comes with your cable, which you need to run down to a USB, and your clip. So this one has a clip-on style to kind of go in a vent, or you could probably clip it onto something else, looks like as well, and this locks it into place. Alright, so just to show you how this works, when you plug it in, it has this cool kind of rainbow look on it, which is neat. And this is a stabilizer, so you have this quick clip right here, and then you have this to adjust to stabilize it. So you just clip this in here, and then adjust this up. Then once in place, you have a nice strong mount here, right there, and it's very easy to take on and off if you want to move it around cars. You have your cable going down to here. It is USB, so if you have an older car, you will need this sort of adapter. If your car does not have USB, then you just go ahead and put your phone on it. Nice strong magnet to it. And we are charging, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.